Welcome. In this lesson, we will explore how ideas transform into ER diagrams and how AI systems rely on that structure to become intelligent. Every intelligent system begins in chaos, unstructured inputs, scattered information, noise without meaning, but intelligence does not emerge directly from chaos, it emerges from structure. Today, we will move step by step from unstructured reality to structured data to predictive intelligence. This session is not merely about ER diagrams, it is about learning how to architect intelligence itself. Reality is messy. Like a pantry, everything is there, but nothing is structured. Databases solve this. They take reality and convert into organized structure. If your structure is weak, your intelligence will fail. Bad data means no intelligence. Every scalable AI product begins with clean architecture. Every system begins with entities. An entity is a noun, a thing that exists. For example, a user attributes describe the entity. They are the adjectives. User has an ID, a name, a phone, a created timestamp. Entities are identity. Attributes are description. Together, they form the atomic units of structure. Identity is everything. Primary key means uniqueness. It defines who something is. Foreign key defines connection. When users connect to pantry items, we create relational structure. Identity plus connection is how systems begin to model reality. Reality is rarely one-to-one. Users have many products. Products belongs to many users. We solve this using a bridge table. The pantry item becomes that bridge. It connects user ID and product ID. This is where personalization begins, not generic sugar, my sugar. Now we have the skeleton, user, product, pantry item. This is the minimum viable structure, but the skeleton alone does not create intelligence. Now we add muscles and then we add the brain. Let's introduce friction. Sugar finishes unexpectedly, manual tracking fails. People forget the goal is not storage, the goal is prediction. We want architecture that predicts depletion automatically. To enable prediction, we expand the cast of entities: user, product, pantry item, consumption log, prediction, notification. Each one plays a significant role in intelligence. If even one is missing, the system becomes incomplete. Product is generic. Pantry item is personal. Product says sugar. Pantry item says user 1 has 50% left. This is the difference between static and dynamic system. Pantry item tracks quantities, thresholds, user-specific behaviors. This is where personalization lives. No logs, no learning. The consumption log captures uses over time. This transforms static storage into temporal data. Time series data is fuel for prediction. Intelligence is not magic, it is history analyzed. Prediction is just another entity. Prediction has average daily use, days remaining, refill date, confidence score. We treat the future as another row in the database. Intelligence becomes queryable. Prediction is just another entity. Prediction has average daily use, days remaining, refill date, confidence score. We treat the future as another row in the database. Intelligence become queryable. Complex AI begins with simple arithmetic. Current quantity divided by average daily usage gives days remaining. Days remaining plus today gives predicted refill date. Sophistication can come later, structure comes first. Prediction alone is not enough. We need action. If days remaining is less than or equal to 3, trigger notification, otherwise do nothing. This is the decision logic. Data, prediction, trigger, and action. Now we see the full flow. Users own pantry item. Pantry item tracks product, consumption log, records behavior, prediction learns, notification triggers. This is the structured intelligence. Everything connected, nothing random. Intelligence is not added later, it is architected from the beginning. Structure your data and intelligence will flow. Chaos to structure, structure to prediction, prediction to action. That is how you architect AI.